Hey, this is Jared Mello, and this is Mello Mentoring. Today, it's going to be a quick life hack about how to never get sunburned again. But before I get into that, please subscribe and share my videos with whomever you think may like my content. I'm grateful for all the people who have done this already, really close to 500. Greatly appreciate it. So, the life hack for today, how to never get sunburned. And it's this. You take 5,000 IUs of vitamin D3. Now, if you only take 2,000, it's not going to work. You're still going to get a little pink. But if you take 5,000 IUs of vitamin D3, you will not get sunburn again. And I think this is because vitamin D is the sunlight vitamin, and the sun does activate the vitamin D that's already in our body, and perhaps when we supplement it, it does something to protect our skin from the rays. And I would say if you really want to make sure you don't get sunburned, is start taking it for like a week in advance, so it definitely builds up in your system. And people have cautioned against vitamin D3 calcifying us and becoming toxic. This hasn't been known to happen unless you take 60,000 IUs a day. So 5,000, you'll be fine. And for you dudes out there, another added bonus, a lot of people who have low testosterone are also deficient in vitamin D. So supplementing in vitamin D can help maintain healthy testosterone levels. So there's my life hack for the day. 5,000 IUs of vitamin D3 to never get sunburn again. Now, I would still wear suntan lotion, but you won't get the sunburn. So that's my hack today. Until next time, have a good one.